Okay. Hello, guys. And how did you do in your exam? How did you felt? Yes. Did you got your grades already or no? You have no idea. No. But how did you felt? Good. Not so good. Did you think it was difficult? Was it difficult or not? Listening? Yes. Okay. Why was it difficult?
Because it felt like it was Adele talking. Do you know how Adele talks?
A what?
Adele. How
Ah,
Adele
the.
talks.
Yes.
It felt like that because it was really so. It was like talking good like.
So it was. This is a British book, right? Okay. So yes, it makes sense. Are you not used to listening to like British people, like accent?
Yes, but I don't know why this one was.
Really fast? Was it like fast?
The accent was like too strong, too British.
Too British. Too strong. Yes, it was an accent, but it was very strong. Okay, so that was the most difficult part. What about writing? Did you have a writing section or not? Yes. How did you felt on the writing section? Were you able to develop?
It was more like reach the word count. I didn't know what I was listening. I needed to be like a Karen.
How many words did you have to write? Do you remember? 100? 150. Okay. And what was it about?
Complain.
What?
Complain.
I complained with her.
A play?
Complain.
Ah. Oh, complain. What did you complain about?
I complained about my flight being changed of schedule.
Okay. Did you ask for money?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know that there is actual a real thing that you can ask for money and hotel room, food after certain hours? Did you know about that? So that's a real thing. It will be useful maybe. You don't need to do a letter, of course, in real life. But yes. Okay. So was it like okay. Ah, yes, yes.
It was, for me, it
It was difficult. Would you all say it was difficult or no? No. Did you study or not? No. Surprise. It was surprise everything. Oh. Did you surprise yourself with the or do you want to challenge yourself or you just did not want to study? Did you feel confident?
I did like all the workbook, so I feel like I was studying confidently. I
Mm-hmm.
feel like I was practicing the workbook, like
Okay, because you did have reviews, right? When we did the review, 1 to 4. Okay. Did you do more that day? More reviews? No? Okay. Well, we're going to talk about bored. It's actually when I read it, I was like really weirded out by this one. I had a different book when I was like studying intermediate, yes, B2, and I was like, why did they choose this topic? Like it's weird. It brings you out to be bored, like. But okay, I'm gonna use this as maybe again. I really like the speaking parts of each unit, as you can tell. So I will also use this one. So with me, every time that I give class, I would like to talk with you, get to know you even more, you know. Yes? So every time that it says here, work with a partner, I'm gonna be your partner. Okay? All right. So I actually think it's a bit difficult to talk about this, but okay. So on the first exercise, it's asking about making a list of 5 situations that make people very bored. We need to rank them from most boring to least boring. So maybe thinking about even studying is not for everyone actually. Not everyone likes studying. Yes? Specific topics, maybe a subject that you don't like that much. Yes, you can think about, was there a subject that you did not like that much, that it was like, this is just like a useless subject? Did you feel like that with any subject at all or not? Yeah.
I feel bored, but I feel bored with one, but I don't think that it's useless. Like mathematics, I don't like math.
Uh-huh.
I feel bored, like having a class of that, but I don't think that they're
Useful.
useful.
They are useful. Well, they are indeed, but I also don't like math. I think it's in most of us, right? As linguistics, yes. You know, I think it's normal. Okay, math. Anything else?
Last semester we had philosophy and demo.
Tell me about it. I did not have it on my plan.
It was just a little long and complicated readings and
Yes.
talking to each other. Yes, don't fight, speak, be friends. And it was to the end. And maybe you're giving up. I may have missed half of the classes because of that, but it was very work.
Oh, okay. I also had like maybe kind of an equal subject. It was Antropología Filosófica, something like that. And I had it in second semester, something like that. But my teacher was really good. So he was kind of... so he always was talking about really interesting topics. But philosophy in general, it's like really heavy. I'm in touch with a lot of, teachers from that career, yes, and they tend to talk a lot, and they don't stop. So you feel like it's too much, right? Maybe that's the feeling. Any other subject?
But focusing on dialogue is like there's no point. There's not just only one, but philosophy of that everyone dialogue is correct in a certain way. So I think that's why the subject was correct.
Like, I mean, every class, it was a different reading, but it all led to the same point. So
Okay.
it felt kind of redundant. Like, you have to let others have their opinions and don't interrupt and don't fight.
You wanted to argue.
I wanted to sleep.
Okay. Well, I will say that philosophy is not a easy subject as well. It's really complicated. I remember I struggled a lot reading as well. It was like, what is this? I don't understand. And they also talk a lot and not even get to the point. So it's awful. Anything else? Like physics, maybe? Did you ever like physics? Even though I did not like math, I was kind of good at physics. I liked it. I don't know. It was different. It is different. Or statistics? Did you ever? Yes? Is it easy?
It's way easier than calculus.
Yes.
Yes.
Because you have just one formula for each one. You don't have to change only the so no es número, pues.
Yeah.
Se lo cambia.
Yeah, and you just draw graphs.
It's
It's
easy.
basic. You do all you do is not how to use Excel, and that's it.
Yeah.
But it's way more.
I did use Excel. It was all like
This semester we have Cultura del Paz.
Oh, okay, so you guys are all bored of subjects, okay? I've noticed that. Okay. Cultura de la Paz. Okay, what was it about?
About
This semester or last semester? This semester, okay.
Y luego las clases.
está aburrida igual.
But,
We had that for some time, so we only
Like
upload.
it's only homework, not
We
class.
don't have class, we only upload like not even like online
Do
or.
homework.
you just upload it, like,
Yeah, like the homework.
okay. Is it like a Nexus? Nexus?
Yes.
I see. So you don't have like meetings with the teacher? Anything like that?
I don't even know what the teacher is.
I also have is it called like a FOBO, I think? Is it? Yes? Okay, I also have one. I also hate them a lot. And even though I think it was kind of a similar one actually, but teacher was pretty good and she gave us like the chance to explore beyond the subject limits, right? So it was pretty good. I actually did a research on women like discrimination, everything like that in general. Yes, so it was kind of a deep research, of course, never ending research, but it was nice, to put it on paper. I think it helps with letting it all out some way. Okay, so you told me math, you told me Cultura de la Paz, and which one was the other one that it was also Filosofía del Diálogo? Okay, and out of those three, which one is the worst? Math. So math number one, then the other two, then Filosofía del Diálogo, and then Cultura de la Paz. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Are you already looking at page 48? Yes? Okay. So thank you for sharing with me your your experiences with your subjects. Okay, and now we're going to complete this diagram, yes, with the phrases in the box. Yes, as you can see, bored to death, bored with, can sit still, dull. That is really British. Have you ever heard dull before? Yes. Oh, that's great. Actually, I did not hear it until maybe 1.5 years ago. That word was really interesting to me. And I did not know it was British. Okay, and then fed up with, feel desperate to escape, have had enough of, lose concentration, repetitive, tired of, uninteresting, John, your mind wanders, and sun out. Is there any that you don't recognize? Have you seen like all of them? Ever? Yes?
Fed up with.
Fed up with. Yes? You don't know it? No? Fed up with? It's like you are really, really, really tired of something. Fed up, I associate it more like with exhaustion, maybe. You're really exhausted of something, but coming up to exaggeration. Yes, fed up. Yes, maximum level, basically. Okay? Anything else? Do you recognize all of them? Yes? Okay, good. So now we need to relate them with this diagram, okay? Words which mean boring, symptoms of boredom, words which mean bored. I would like to do it together at this moment. So let's take a look at them. The first one, bored to death. Which one do you think it fits the most? Which one? Words which mean bored. Yes? Or words which mean boring? Symptoms of boredom? Okay. Do you guys agree? Yes. Okay. Bored with. Where do you think it fits the most? Words which mean bored or boring? Bored? Okay. Can sit still. Symptoms. Okay, symptoms of boredom. Dull. Words which mean boring. Fed up with. Okay, bored. Okay. Feel desperate to escape. Symptoms of boredom. Have had enough of. Have had enough of. Symptoms of boredom. Okay. Lose concentration. Symptoms. Repetitive. Boring. Okay. Tired of. Okay. Bored. Uninteresting. Boring. Yawn. Symptoms. Have you seen that like in cartoons or in series? They used to do that. They actually say the word, not even like the action. They literally say the word. Your mind wanders. Symptoms. Zone out. Symptoms. Yes? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yes? So, does it match with what we had? Words which mean bored, tired of, fed up with, have had enough of, bored with, bored to death. And then words which mean boring. We had 3. Dull, uninteresting, repetitive. And then symptoms of boredom. I think the one that we got was symptoms of boredom was like the most obvious one. Did you struggle with bored and boring a little bit? Yes? Let me know once you have write them down, okay? Once you're finished. Any of you guys have like a job out of school? Okay. Raise your hand. Yes? Yes, you too? Okay, what do you guys work? Where? Ah, okay. Baking. And you?
I work at pizza place.
Pizza place. Okay, restaurants or kind of a delivery. Okay, and how do you feel? Do you like it? Is
Well, it's fun sometimes. Well, it's like it's I get like
entertained? Do you get entertained? Okay.
but only when it's not full of people like weekends.
Yeah. When you don't have job to do that.
Yeah, and it's so stressful.
Mm.
And when I finish too late,
Mhm.
I get home also late, so I get tired. And I
Yes.
get to wake up early.
Early.
The next day. So it's a little bit consuming, but it's okay.
It's okay. And at what time does your shift end?
And
10?
yeah, I start at 2. And some days at 1:30, so I can end at 9.
What? And how do you do like regular with classes and everything?
Well, I get my rest day on Wednesdays,
Uh-huh.
and that day I don't have any classes. So I get a full day of rest so I can catch up with homework and assignments and everything. But usually when I have class and work, well, I came here early. I usually end all my classes at 12, 1, that's too late.
Mm-hmm.
And my job isn't so far from here,
Oh, okay.
so that's
How many minutes does it take to get there?
like 15.
Ah, okay, it's near. All right. And how about you, Octavio? Was it? Okay.
Well, I work from 12
Uh-huh.
to 11 p.m.
So you have to run from here.
No, I only work weekends.
Ah, weekends. Okay,
But
that's
not
good.
Friday. I just Saturday and Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. All day, 12 to
12 to 11.
what?
I have to
11.
get up at 11.
Night?
No. Okay, yes. 12 of the
Noon.
of noon.
Noon? Yes,
and
noon.
11 at night.
Okay. And
Wait, well, in weekends, there's always people, so I always have work. There's no dead time, and I don't have lunch time. I have to,
you don't have?
yes, in restaurants like that restaurant, you never have.
Illegal.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I have to find a time or something to cover with, to eat my meal, my lunch, or if I do some pasta or they give me pizza, I eat. Then I go back to work. Yeah, that's it.
So you eat cold dinner, basically.
No, cold dinner.
No?
I make my own dinner
There.
in the restaurant because they give me.
Okay. You have to give yourself some time to eat lunch. It's really unhealthy.
It's unhealthy because it's only pasta and pizza, but it gives me energy and not like so much junk food. So it makes me happy.
Okay, and those jobs, like, what is the most boring thing that you have to do that you say, oh, I really don't like doing this today. Don't really feel like doing this today. That it's really boring for you.
The work part because I like getting paid and I like
Of course,
Yeah,
who does not
right.
like money?
talking with my coworkers.
Uh-huh.
Some of them are otomis. So
They are what?
otomis.
Otomis. Okay.
Son tipo de
Indigenous. What?
and they teach me otomis.
Uh-huh.
I know how to say thank you
Okay.
and homosexual,
Ow.
but like in a bad context.
Why? So is it like cursing or something? What does it mean in bad context?
Well,
What?
they say it like, I don't think it's an insult, but no, they say it like it's a joke. None of us are insults.
Okay, and out of your routine, like in general, like I'm asking everyone, in your daily routine, like brushing your teeth, taking a shower, brushing your hair, like what's the most boring that you can tell me that you don't what? Yeah.
The subway,
Okay. Transportation.
The most what?
The most boring like part of your day, like your daily routine.
I feel like when I finish class and I have to walk to the subway and the sun is burning
Like hell.
the fact that I think that I have to walk there.
It gives you nightmares. Oh, okay. So yes, transportation as well, basically. Yes, walking. Anything else? Do you feel excited when you brush your teeth? No.
For me, taking a shower because the water on my
Neighborhood. On my neighborhood, you can call it.
the water in my neighborhood, we don't have water, so we have the water of like the
Ah.
so the what like it's very slow the water, but you have like the
Pressure.
of water,
Yes.
so it's like very boring to be washing without pressure. Pobrecita yo.
Okay.
hay gente que le dedica toda la vida.
And anything else? Yes.
I do 2 hours.
2 hours. Where do you live? Garcia. Okay, I understand. So you have to take what? Is it?
I take the subway and the bus.
And the bus. Oh. Do you fall asleep during the way? You have to get up really early, right? 2 hours is too much.
I wake up at 4 a.m.
Oh my god. Yes, me too, me too. Okay. Anything else that you could tell me about your daily routine that you actually don't like that much?
But in some way, most of the people don't use deodorant.
Well, that's kind of a different context of right? Like,
No, pero no me gusta tampoco. O sea,
you feel grossed out by that.
nomás lo que es.
Like a bad experience, it's like uncomfortable, right? Okay. Okay. Well, that's enough. That's enough. Thank you. Okay, so now let's go to the grammar and reading. Yes? So we're going to choose some headings. Yes? For this reading. Yes? It's kind of a part of some articles maybe. Yes? Yes. Read the article and match paragraphs 1 to 4 to headings A to E. There is one heading you do not need. Okay? I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to complete it, and we're going to write them on the board, okay? Once you're done. Okay. Are you done? Yes? So, do you guys still have your papers with your names or not? I have the list, so I could choose. I'm always going to ask you for that because I'm very bad with names. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. Do you guys agree? Number 4, let yourself be bored. Yes? Okay. Okay, number 1, a complicated emotion. Do you agree? Yes or no? No. Which one do you think it fits the most? How it feels to be bored? Yes? No? Number 2, how it feels to be bored? Which one did you put? Number 2? Yes. For number 1. For number 1. How it feels to be bored. Dana, what did you choose on the first one? Say how it feels. Okay. So yes? Okay. Well, we'll see it in a bit. Any. 2 or 3. That's okay. The benefits. Oh my God, qué barbaridad. The benefits of boredom. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And number 2, we have 2 left.
conocidos.
Okay.
Yo puse.
And out of the two that are left, you don't think they fit? Do you think that's the one? Okay. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's see. Okay. Okay. So, number one, it was B, how it feels to be bored. Yes. And then number two, it's E, a complicated emotion. Number three, it was C, the benefits of boredom. 4, it's D, let yourself be bored. How many of them did we got? 2? All of them are wrong? All of them are right? Yes? Okay. Very good. Okay, so let's move on. Next page, please. Okay, so on number 6 says match words in bold in the article in exercise 5 to definitions 1 to 5. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Okay, we go.